Hi everyone, it is December 20th, 2022, and we're in upstate New York and it's very cold out there. So I've been doing some inside things, cleaning and all, but then I got involved in the houseplant. So Kevin thought, hey, why don't you tell people what you're doing? So here we are. So I'll just show you the houseplants that we have, just a quick walk through the living room. We went through detail another video of the gang, and then I'll show you the cuttings that I got from my friend's plants. It's a Hoya, I think it's called the pubicalyx. P-U-B-I-C-A-L-Y-X. That's how you spell it. And for the heck of it, I got some leaves, stuck them in some water, and I wasn't sure if anything was going to happen. We even got a couple leaves where you cut them off the vines, and usually they never root, but they did. So I'll show you those in a second. Meanwhile, we are in the living room, and Hank is barking at Kevin, who is on the equipment going out back, and to use the drone to take pictures for you. So fire is going, thank God, and the plants are all in the southern window. They did well outside. A couple of them, even though I thought they were in a shadier spot, they actually did get some burnt on their leaves, but they seem to be, adapting pretty well. And now they're all inside and getting new leaves and just regular house plants and all. So they're just doing fine. So now I have to walk it into the other room where the project is going on. This is also a south window and it has plants all in it, but this is the one that I was telling you was just a leaf, and I stuck it in just a glass of water like a month ago, and it made tons of roots. So I just potted those up, and we walk over here. These are the ones I'm talking about. So these are their brothers and sisters. And is this like amazing or what? I can't believe the roots. I'll get a little closer on them all. So let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6 plants out of it, plus the 2 leaves, so that's 7, 8, and I'm going to share them with my other friend. But look at the development on this. Just crazy. So these are really nice plants. They make vines. They have speckles on them. Some people call this variety Splash because of the speckles. But I kind of get a little tray and divided them all up. Get the soil, get the pots, and put them all together. So I just wanted to share that with you, that if you have a friend who has a Hoya plant that's getting out of control because they grow, big and viney, just take some clippings of the vine and at each, node going up. Like you can see where I cut this at the top right there, and then the next part up. That part I stuck in water, so that might be actually this part that I cut off of that one. And you can see I also cut the top of that. So look at all the plants we got. So that's the project that I'm up to currently. Hopefully they will do as well as all of these house plants here. And I'm really happy. This is a clivia, and it's getting some nice flowers come up. And this is the orchid pot. All the different orchids are all in here. And this one is, I don't know if you can see, that's throwing up what they call a spike. And then the spike will make flowers all the way up it. And this is a chocolate orchid. And they call it that because the flowers in the morning smell like chocolate. So everybody is doing really well. Oh, I probably should show you this. There were some stems that didn't have leaves on that Hoya, and I was going to throw them out, and for the heck of it, I just stuck them in the water, and look, they're getting leaves and tiny, it's right over there. I'm going to finger her. There you go. Tiny little roots. So never give up. When in doubt, stick it in some water and see what happens. Well, you guys have a great Christmas. Enjoy. Do those projects you haven't done because you've always been so busy, if you're confined inside because it's freezing outside. And take care. Spread the love and the joy. Nice to see you guys. Bye-bye.